Video number 8. The War of Three Platforms. How do the various platforms differ? The year is 2022. The internet explosion has taken off the entire world. The phenomenon of hyperconnectivity enabled by this very explosion vows to connect and disconnect the human race. Content is the new oil and attention is the new currency. YouTube, the undisputed king of video. The true pioneer of video content, YouTube, was one of the first video platforms to set the tone for the democratization of video content. Before the era of YouTube, it was only the large, intimidating content. YouTube entered the picture, changed this monopolization of content, and provided a broadcasting platform to anyone with a camera. This crowdsourcing of content enabled YouTube to build a massive directory of videos, thus becoming the leading video platform on the internet. Cooking videos, short films, comedy sketches, music covers, dance challenges, and spiritual conversations, you name it, and the platform had it. TikTok, the usurping prince of video content. TikTok's biggest USP was its accessibility to the masses. The funky transitions, the slow-mo shots, and the ability to shoot with just a selfie camera were all the right ingredients to flourish as a short video platform. TikTok swiftly built foundational blocks to become the world's most downloaded app. With attention spans getting consistently shorter, the opportunity for short video platforms to blossom was wide open. TikTok is the most engaged video platform of the world. You could find all sorts of short educational content on TikTok like cooking, fitness, fashion, technology, and finance. TikTok, while the most downloaded app in the world, still struggles to find its footing in building the same amount of brand equity and repute as YouTube or Instagram. Instagram, the most glam of them all. Amidst the whole YouTube versus TikTok battle, what people tend to conveniently forget is a platform that is equally accepted and loved by users and brands alike, Instagram. A platform that popularized photo content and truly paved the way for an alternative carrier, one that of an influencer. Instagram quickly grew to be one of the most popular social media platforms. Instagram was always quick to bring in new interactive features on the platform that increased the stickability factor, with the average user spending 53 minutes a day on the app. The platform is now directly responsible for facilitating livelihoods of millions of small businesses, influencers, and brands. As a content creator, Instagram definitely needs to be in your social media starter kit. Twitter, the dark horse of the social media game. While Instagram and YouTube consistently had the glamour and fancy of the young audiences, Twitter was the one that garnered the attention of the most powerful, rich, and influential of the world. Presidents, bureaucrats, CXOs, celebrities, multinational corporations, and religious leaders were all active on the platform. Unlike other platforms, Twitter tested your storytelling skills with a very limited set of words, 140 characters initially. This was an art in itself, and the creators who made their mark on this platform were touted to be some of the wittiest and most intellectual personalities of our generation. To summarize this, as a content creator, you can't afford to be unidimensional in picking the platform of your liking. If you put all eggs into one basket, you are setting yourself up for failure. The one skill that stays common across all platforms is the art of storytelling. Text, photo, short-form video, long-form video, and audio, they all demand you to be a prolific storyteller. Instagram Reels versus TikTok versus YouTube Shorts. For those who are unaware of the recent social media goings-on, on March 18th, YouTube launched its newest feature, competing against fellow short-form video competitors to take out the title. Strikingly similar to its competitors, YouTube Shorts enables creators to record, edit, and share short video content that connects them to YouTube's 2 billion users. Each short video can be 60 seconds or less and is usually set to popular background music that reflects the content of short video. Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts all feature many similar capabilities when it comes to creating, discovering, viewing, and sharing content. Filming the content for YouTube Shorts is very similar to the filming process for TikTok and Instagram Reels. Creators can stop and start recording videos with a tap. They can also choose the video's sound or backing music with access to a limited amount of in-app editing features. Just like its competitors, YouTube Shorts leads its users to a vertical full-screen video where you double-tap to like a video, comment, and share the videos. Like TikTok, YouTube Shorts too features an icon that takes you to a page with all the other short videos set to the same sound. YouTube Shorts also introduces creators to the ability to choose the specific part of the song they want to use in their short video, which its rivals do not. All in all, YouTube Shorts presents an inviting, new alternative platform to short video creation. Though it definitely has its pros and cons, it provides users and creators with yet another platform to discover and broadcast videos in an engaging and interactive way. It may not yet have amounted to TikTok's remarkable success, boasting hundreds of millions of active users on a monthly basis, but it is certainly on the way to becoming a popular competitor in the short video space. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.